In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build automated email campaigns on Aweber. To get started, log into your Aweber account and head to the Automations area. From there, select Workflow. This is where you build a sequence that automatically sends emails based on the flow you design. Next, click Create Workflow. Aweber will offer you a choice of templates to speed things up. If you want a guided setup for new subscribers, select the Welcome Series template. If you prefer to build everything from scratch, choose Blank Campaign instead. Either option works, so pick the one that matches your goal. Now you will name your campaign. Choose a name that is easy to recognize later, especially if you manage multiple lists or offers. After you name it, click Create to open the Workflow Builder. Inside the workflow, you will begin by adding an email. Drag the Send Message action into your workflow. This action is what delivers an email to your subscribers at that point in the sequence. Once the Send Message step is in place, click Create a Message and select the Drag and Drop Email Builder. This opens a simple editor that helps you design and write your email without needing any code. Take your time to write clear copy and make sure your message matches the purpose of the campaign, such as welcoming a new subscriber or introducing what they can expect next. When your email is ready, click Save and Exit. This returns you to the workflow, where you will set timing for the next step. Drag a wait action below your message. This creates a delay before the workflow continues. For example, you might set the wait time to 1 day, so subscribers have time to read the first email before receiving the next one. After that, you will add another wait action below the message again to set a delay for the next email in your sequence. These wait steps help you control pacing, reduce overwhelming your audience, and create a more natural email experience. When you are satisfied with your setup, click Save and Exit again, then click Activate and Turn on. This step is important because your workflow will not run until it is activated. That covers everything you need to know.